Hello Virgo, this will be reading for the people who are dealing with Sagittarius. This will be reading for Sun, Moon and Rising sign. In case if this video resonates, please do like, share and subscribe my channel. So let's start your reading. I'm going to check your energy, your person's energy and the connection. So let's start. Virgo, you got Wheel of Fortune, 10 of Coin, Queen of Cups. Your person, they got the Hierophant, 9 of Coin and the Knight of Swords. For the connection, you got the World, the Moon and the Knight of Coin. So Sagittarius, you got the Wheel of Fortune, 10 of Coin and the Queen of Cups. So I see like you may be dealing with a Sagittarius who has water in the chart, or you may have water in your chart. But I feel like you have a lot of emotion towards an individual here, but I don't see you expressing that. And I see like you're just seeing a situation as it is, and I see like you're seeing some kind of a changes in your life. As soon as you step back from a connection or a situation, you see like things are changing in your direction. And I see like now for you it's like priority of like stability right now. I feel like before you had like emotion, everything, but as soon as some kind of a changes occurred in your life, you're just concentrating on 10 of Coin, that is stability in your life. So you feel like you want a stability in your life, and you feel like better to hold back your emotions you have towards an individual here. And I see like holding back your emotion, but you do want a connection with this individual, but right now your focus is on 10 of Coin, that is a stability here. For some people, you may be waiting for the right person to be in a commitment with. For your person, they got Hierophant, Knight of Coin and the Knight of Swords. So I feel like in case if you are already in a commitment or in a married life with this individual, I feel like this person, whomever you're dealing with, Virgo, I feel like they, even though they are in a marriage life, they may be acting single and independent here. They may be not concentrating more about the family thing. They may be like acting distance. They may be working on themselves. They may be not being in a connection as they are, like they won't work on things as per the responsibility wise. They just work, they just being in a commitment in a namesake and just working on themselves, I feel here. But I feel they are just independent, they're just working on themselves. They see a commitment with you here, they just want a commitment with you, but I don't see that they want to rush things out here. Instead, I see like this person, whomever you're dealing with, they may finally realize that there's something issue here between you and your person. They are realizing that their things are not moving forward. They know that it's wrong staying single or something, but I see that there's a sudden awakening or sudden getting to know that they, whatever they're doing, it's wrong. They're just realizing that whatever they did, it's totally wrong here. They may realize that they didn't take any kind of a responsibility in this connection here, but they are realizing that, I feel it's a sudden awakening here, and I see like soon they're going to reach out to you. For the connection, you got the complete World, the Moon and the Knight of Coin. I see like the situation is already ended, but here you or the other person, or it can be you both. You both are trying to not agree that things are ended between you both, and still you're wishing to move forward towards this individual. It can be both of them, it can be like a particular person, it can be you or them. But I see like there's a person here who, even though the things are ended, they're just thinking that things are not ended, and they're just wanting to move towards an individual here. It can be your person also here. Let me take card from the Oracle deck. You have Divine Healing. Honor your sensitivity, retreat to recharge and heal. Your light can support others. So I feel like it's time. So I feel like it's time to retreat, like to walk away from this connection and other things here and just heal yourself so that you get a answer here and a support from others. Finally, you're going to get a clarity here that whether you want this connection or not. So there's a healing process which should be taken place right now. So that's what I see, Sagittarius. Thank you. In case if this video resonates, please do like, share and subscribe my channel.